He choked it. Gotta let some line back out. Oh, dang. Oh, easy there, buddy. First little bass of the day. My God, he just hit it right at the boat. God, it's been hard for the bass today. But I caught a few little ones, so I'm good. Alright, there we go. Feisty little tiger perch. Oh, we just doubled up.
We doubled.
Oh. Guess there's a little school of perch right there.
Yep.
Promote that catch and release. Gotta let them take them just a minute and then set the hook.
How many you got today?
About 6. Perch and 2 little bass. One of them little bass, the bigger bass, jumped off on me. Missed that one. That felt pretty good. That's probably a crappie. Not what I was wanting, but damn, he fought hard.
What the hell is he doing? I'm not getting the damn thing. You're deeper, ain't you?
A little bit deeper, yep. Moly, he rolled basically on top. Hey. Gotta be very careful with their gill plates. They are sharp and they will cut you. Not bad. At least I'm catching something, but all right. There we go. Doubled up.
Come on.
Oh. Whoa, hey, down.
Can't lift them up that fast. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Oh shit, you're cool.
There we go. Perchy day, y'all.